Hello and good day to everyone. I'm Moot from Strictly Business LLC on Stribitron. Today I'm going to show you how to create a button and a record that will take you to Google Maps location of that record. So stay tuned. Now let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to go to Setup, Modules and Fields. And you can put this button on any module that you want, but today we're going to start off with leads. You want to go to links and buttons, and you want to go to new button. Now on this page, this is where you create the new button. If you haven't created a button before, we'll say create your first button. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to name this button. And we're going to name it Google Maps. You can give it a description of what it does, but pretty much it takes you to Google Maps of the location of your lead. Once you finish that, you can say, where would you like to place this button? And we're going to place this button on the view page. The view page is where, right here, view place, it will show you right here on the view page. It will show you right here on the view. It'll show you right here on the view page. Where the button will be at. Next, you want to do, which action would you like the button to perform? Invoke a URL. That's what we're doing. We're invoking a URL. Once you hit the button, it'll come up to construct your URL. Now this is where you need to go get, as see as an example at the bottom of the Google address that you need. So we're going to go to Google. I already have an address that I want to look up. So you want to go to copy the entire link. And then you want to come here and then you want to paste it. This is the Google link for the location that I've already chosen. But all this can be erased. But notice the plus signs between the address. You're going to have to remember that for later. So you delete that, and what you want to do is you want to come up here to your fields, right here in this location. You want to come up here to your fields, and you want to get the fields that you want Google to look up. So this is the user. This is the person who pretty much runs or is using your CRM system. So you want to go to, scroll down, and you want to go to leads. You want to find your leads fields. If you can't find them good, just type them up here. The organization leads. But you want to use your leads information. So you want to go to leads. Here we go. You want to go to streets. You want to add a plus sign. You want to go to city. That's the lead city. You add a plus sign. You want to go to lead state. plus sign, and you want to go to leads zip code. So when you hit the button, Google will look up, it will go to Google Maps and look up the lead street, city, state, and zip code. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom. Where do you want to show this content of the button action? So you want to do new tab, and then you want to who you want to see this button. You can pick whoever you want, but after that you just save it. I already have one here, so I'll just add that right there. I'll just add 2 S's because I already have a button already created. So basically you just save it, go back to your leads, and when you click on your leads, you'll see the Google Maps button right here. Once the address here, where's the address? The address information is here. This is where we're going to be locating. So you go to Google Maps, click on Google Maps. Everything will be already populated because you already did that with the leads fields, and there you go. This is the location of where I'm trying to find, and if you want the directions, just click on directions and it'll take you wherever you want to, give you the directions to the location that you chose. If you want to do this for contacts, accounts, and any other modules, you just go back to setup, modules and fields, choose the next module that you want to add the button, links and buttons, and then you do the same thing over again. Same process, and that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any video suggestions, please leave a comment at the bottom. Until next time.